going on YouTube? We've already switched out the center console lid on the 2015 Z28. So today I'm showing you how to take out the shifter bezel along with the shifter boot and knob. I'm going to go ahead and replace those out here. The 2015 has the suede leather setup. It just looks pretty bad. So I'm going to switch it out with a GM black and orange stitching, kind of go along with some of the other additions that we're doing to the car. So let's get started. All right, first things first, whoever had this spray painted it, I don't like it. I'm gonna take it off, strip it down, just gonna put it back as a silver. I have the shifter boot and knob that's coming in today, so this has to come out either way. I'm just gonna show you how to do that real quick. And if you want to find the crease right here and you get your little pry tool, you just get right underneath here. See, just gonna prise up. Some wires, a little harness over here, and again secondary little push button, slides right up. Well, instead of detaching it, this is connected. All you gotta do is disconnect this one. So as you can see on the center console bezel, it's just got a few tabs on there, so I'm just prying it up and it comes right up. So it just has a few slide-in notches in the front, so literally insert and replace. Sweet. Brand new one. I was actually looking for this, and these are for the Camaro without the instrumentation. It is quite challenging to find. Set this aside. So as you can see right here, you got 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. You just need a 7mm. These aren't very tight in here, so again, you're dealing with metal and plastic, so if you tighten too much, you run the risk of cracking the stuff. But if it's too light, you run the risk of parts squeaking. To kind of find something like a happy medium, be careful with these bolts. The shift boot kind of comes up and off right here. You're gonna have this center retainer ring, spins on righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So turn to the left, see how it comes off, slides down. This is from the driver's side. On the passenger side, you're gonna need a T20 to get the screw out. I'll show you that here in a second. Passenger side view, as you see, this is sitting here. We twisted to the left, comes down, and now you see the T20 see the T20. Once that bolt is out, the shift knob just slides right out. You just take, lift off. There you go. We got the shift boot. Again, the orange or the stitching on the boot face the rear. The two smaller, so these kind of have where they fit over the little bump stopper there. All right, that's in. As far as the shift bezel over here, you just need to reconnect this piece, these front two little tabs. You see behind me, one on that side, one on that side. All right, if you look closely, you can see one right here and the other right over there, and they just slide right in. Kind of zoom in. All right. So everything hooked up, slide the wires in. All right, at this point we have the shift bezel snap back in, the shift boot on. All we have left is the shift knob. Again, the shifter knob has grooves, as you can see, so that's what this ring has. And when you twist left, take them off, and then when you're going to put it back on, make sure seated all the way on there, and you just turn to the right. Like so. Zoom back in. Your stitching, it all line up from the boot to here. You turn this back to the right, you'll move the boot around, so the stitching and everything will line up with each other. So that's how you install a shift knob, shift boot, and the center console bezel replacement. So if you guys like the video, go ahead and smash the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.